Hi guys, welcome to this short video about the problem with the GVM photo or video light when you want to change the hue, the real color. That's sometimes not working, and maybe that's a similar problem with other photo lights, and I wanted to show you how you can do that. Basically here we have a really simple photo light with the GVM. We have the on off, we have the light, how strong we want to have it, brightness. Actually we can have it on 5%, doesn't matter, it's a little bit better to see, I think. And here we have the Kelvin, the color temperature. So pretty easy, nothing to set, just right out of the box we can change it from the whole range, like 3200 to 5600 whatsoever. So no problem with that. But we have some other options, and one of these options is the hue. Basically that's the color, not color temperature, but real color, like yellow and green and blue and red and so on. And when we want to change, we have now the setting here. We see it's 50 degrees, and now you can start to change that. And as you can see in the back, there is nothing going on, no change, no nothing. Now we are on 250, 270, 280, 300, so there's absolutely nothing going on. So what's the problem here actually? And I found it just by chance. We have to go to the color saturation. This color saturation is now on 0, so we have to increase the color saturation. Now let's go to 100%, and now you can see that we can really change the color with this hue. And we can change it to almost every color, yellow and green, and sometimes it takes a little bit of time. And then of course with this camera here it's a little bit difficult to see everything, all the colors. It's not a review about this video light, but it's just a little bit to show that you have so many options here. But it's just possible when you go to the, you can see nice green here. It's just possible when you increase the saturation. I don't know how much it really needs. Maybe it could already be done at 50% or at just a little bit less, but you can see, it's really still at 95% here. It's doing nothing. Only when we go to 100%, then we have this real nice color. And the color, the green, what you see here in real life is much stronger than what you see in the camera here. The camera isn't able to really record everything really nice and clear. So that's the thing, how you solve this issue with this GVM great video maker a photo light. Maybe it's a similar thing with other photo lights. If you have maybe same problem, would be really interesting to learn from you if this is a general problem. I'm not a photo or video specialist. I'm not a pro in this area. I just found it by chance. It was not even described in the instructions. Maybe it's just a bug. I have really no clue. Would be really interesting to learn from you if you are an expert. Maybe there's something which is common in this regarding this problem. If you are an expert on that or have experience regarding other products, would be really interesting to learn from you how it looks with different products. And anyway, I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.